we're going to have a lesson on syllable division. When a word has more than one syllable, you can divide it into parts to help you decode the word. So let's look at the word mascot. How many syllables are in the word mascot? Well, you can put your hand under your chin, mascot. My chin dropped twice, so there are 2 syllables in the word mascot. Let's try the word napkin. How many syllables are in the word napkin? Napkin. Are you trying it? Napkin. So my chin dropped twice, so there are 2 syllables in the word napkin. So what we want to do now is we want to look at these words so that we can learn how to divide them. So we have the word mascot here. So the first thing we're going to do when we're looking at a word that we maybe don't know, we want to find the vowels. So I see a vowel here, so I'm going to put a small V underneath it. And then I see another vowel over here. So I put a small V under that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a bridge between the 2 vowels. So the letters in between the 2 vowels, we have S and C. Are those vowels or consonants? They're consonants. So we're going to write a small C underneath it. So when I have a word with a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, I'm going to divide it between the 2 consonants. So when I'm looking at this first syllable, I notice it's a vowel followed by a consonant, so it's a closed syllable, and I can code that with a brev. And when I look at the second syllable, I notice I have a vowel that's closed in by a consonant, which makes it a closed syllable, and I can code that with a brev. So I can look at this first syllable and I can sound it out. S. And then the second syllable, k, a, t. So the word is mascot. Mascot. Now, let's look at the word napkin. All right, so we have the word napkin. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the vowels and then mark them with a V. So there's a vowel here, and then we have a vowel here. So then we're going to draw our bridge. And then what kind of letters are in between the vowels? They're consonants. So we're going to write C stands for consonant. Now remember, when I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, I divide between the 2 consonants. So the first syllable is a closed syllable. That vowel is closed in by that consonant, so I code it with a brev. And that second syllable, I have a vowel that's closed in by a consonant, so I code that with a brev, that vowel with a brev. So this word is napkin, napkin, and that's one way you can divide a word into 2 syllables.